by Risotto. Yan. We're heading for our next destination. So Risotto is a nice hotel, guys. So pag gusto nyo mag-vacation in Savannah, it's really nice. Hello, good morning. Good morning po sa lahat. Friday at today na ang alis namin. So naka-ready na ako. So naligo na lang yung isa. Tapos yung gamit namin nasa car na. So 9 AM aalis na kami. So yay! So abangan nyo yung mga video na i-upload ko for my YouTube channel and Facebook page. So sa mga ganap ng aming 1 week na travel. So yun, and I'm sure mamaya nasa daan na kami. Actually maulan ngayon, pangit yung ano ngayon, pangit yung weather dito ngayon. Sobrang ulan kahapon pa. So, see you later, guys, when we're in the road. Nasa Richmond na kami, and ito pala yung car nag-rent. Medyo malaki siya, tsaka high. So yun, nag-stop kami kasi kailangan ni Dave mag-poop tsaka umihi, and then nasa store si Phil, may kinuha siya na ano, siguro pagkain or something. So ayan si Dave, nakaihi na siya, and then may ano pa kami, may 6 hours pa kaming drive, ano na, 11 AM. So yun, maulan din dito, so hindi maganda yung panahon. So hopefully pagdating namin sa Savannah is okay na yung panahon. So see you again later. My camera is here, not there. You do same taking a video?
No, I just saw it looking over here and I was like, oh, this is okay.
No.
There's nothing I can do about it.
It's here. You can drink. Hello, isang bata. Wow. Hey, drink more. No more? So, naglakad ako kito. Nag-stop kami. So, ayan si Dave. Or I think you're gonna poop. Yan yung car. So, nasa rest stop kami.
I'll show you the map. You might have a big map somewhere.
That's Dave.
We'll be out of when you come back up.
So, maghanap tayo ng maihian mga palangga. Kaya naiihi na ako.
Don't say nothing, just wipes off the bar. Pours them a cup of more. 'Cause the secret of life is in Sam's Martins. The secret of life is in
Yeah, that's what I saw. 3 rest stop. I don't know if you remember.
Yep, I do. Check it out, honey. An English muffin right there.
Yep, smile.
Thomas is a brand name. I don't like those as such. I've tried them all, and Old Time is the best. It's the most like the McDonald's.
Favorite song. So, ayan. Gusto kaming kumain. Kumain kami dito. Ganda ng mga store nila. Oh. Ang ganda. Ang mahal naman. Uy! So, ayan. Kung ano-ano mga meron dito. Ganda. So, yun. Magdadrive na naman kami. Nag-lunch lang kami. And then, alis na kami. It's a nice place though. It's a Mexican place. Is it a Mexican place or what? Ah, okay.
Holy cow, fireworks.
Okay. It's a south of the border.
Well, I can't find a lot of grass for you.
Oh,
But
for pooping of Dave. Nag-stop kami ulit. Yan. Nagpapapi kay Dave. 2 hours na lang. Darating na kami sa Savannah. Yan si Dave. Come here, Bob. Ayan, yan yung car na na-rent na ni Phil. Medyo malaki siya. So, nasa ano kami, parang Mexican na lugar. Yan, south of the border. So, yan si Dave. Hi, Dave! Oh, we're stopped for gas and I found something. Charot. Chicharon! Hi, Bob! So, yan. Chicharon mo diha. Lamig ini sa munggo. Sarap to sa munggo. Chicharon. So, yun. Nag-stop muna kami kasi nag-gas ng sasakyan. Tapos, tapang ng amoy. Tapos, mag-drive pa ng 2 hours. And then, we arrive. Pangit talaga ng panahon ngayon. So, yun. Expected na namin na ulan hanggang hanggang mamaya. So, yun lang.
DeSoto.
I'm gonna search it when we're at the park, the dock. The way. It's just near here, right?
That's the cemetery park.
Yeah, I remember you searching. But they will not go there, right? They will go in that side of it. No, now.
Oh yeah, we're going to the dog park.
Okay, you go both, and then why you're the one said it. So Phil is drunk. Are you? No. We are done eating. So
Send me the picture of the
what happened for story?
Yeah, it's been 20.
Gonna take video. Oh, this is a bar. It's a bar.
Yeah. I don't think we can get out of here.
Yeah. Do you want? Dave, did you explore in a new city? Huh? I remember in Makati.
When you had Dave in Makati? Is that what
No.
you remember?
Like bars, like, you know.
Hold on.
That one is cute place. There, it's cute place.
Like, I would rather go to McDonald's.
view of the night. Yay! So, yan yung view namin. Yan. It's a city. It's church. Hi, Bob. Where are you, Bubby?